Hello friends, Running Kimono here. If you use any of the rebate apps, Fetch, IBOTTA, Shopkick, just to name a couple off the top of my head, this is definitely the video for you. In this specific video, we're going to be talking about Shopkick and IBOTTA, just some stuff that's been popping off lately, and how to get your rebates if the rebate disappeared. So we're going to talk about that. So specifically, we're going to be looking at the beginning of the video talking about Shopkick, but we're also going to talk about IBOTTA as well because I had issues with them yesterday. I had issues with both of these rebate apps yesterday, and I show this stuff on social media and I'm having issues. So if I'm having issues, you're probably also having issues. So just throw this video in your back pocket, definitely worth a watch, and a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so the first app that we're going to talk about is Shopkick. Last weekend or towards Good Friday, they released these crazy Olay Old Spice where you were getting $6 back for each body wash. And this went on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I even saw it yesterday, which was Monday. This morning, which is Tuesday the 11th, we're at 80. So it went from $6 to not even 250 Shopkick points is $1. That's not even $1. That's very, very little. And they did this to a lot of shoppers. So whenever there is a really hot rebate, guys, I would absolutely recommend for you to grab a screenshot of it, like $6 back at Walmart for a body wash. Yeah, grab a screenshot of that because by the time you submit your receipt to when it is approved, they might pull it, or if they had 10,000 rebates from when it was released to how many shoppers went and got it, it could get pulled at a moment's notice, but you don't want to be left holding a bag. So when you're writing customer service, definitely be brief and to the point. Send a screenshot of the rebate. And even before you go to the register for something so hot like that Olay deal at Walmart, I would definitely check the rebate app. Is it still there? Is it still in my gallery? When you're messaging customer service reps, be super kind in your language. Even though if you might be really upset, save it, write it in one of my YouTube comments. Do not be rude or dismissive or angry at one of these reps. Be super kind. A please and thank you go a really long way. And when you are kinder, they tend to just want to make customers who are in a pretty good mood, to validate it. I know it might suck and it might be really awful that you had this rebate and you were supposed to get $18 back and you got nothing because it got denied. But if you have the screenshots and you explain, hey, it was there when I submitted it, I should still be credited the 18, even as a one-time courtesy. There's always room for negotiation. And with Shopkick, they tend to be a little bit flexible too. So just keep that in your back pocket and keep all these tactics in your back pocket for any of these apps. To show you a side by side, like on the left hand side was like right up till Monday, and then right hand side is today at 80. So 1500 to 80. That's a huge swing of the old pendulum. I will also let you guys know that if they just flat out deny, you get somebody who's like, no, you always have the right to grab your 4 body washes and just return them at Walmart as well. That's another tactic. Now, I just want to point something out. Yesterday, I was in the clearance section at a Walmart, and I found one Parodontax toothpaste on clearance for $3.18. It might not seem like much to a lot of you, but if this is a toothpaste that you use and it's upwards of $8 at any of the pharmacies, I'm definitely going to buy one. So this is the toothpaste that I got for $3.18. I didn't have a coupon. I had nothing. Shopkick had this rebate, and it says Parodontax Active Gum Repair Toothpaste or the Complete Protection double pack of the toothbrushes. That was an Active Gum Repair Toothpaste. Even though it's on clearance, I should get my $2 or 500 kicks back. And the rebate app, for whatever reason, did not have that one barcode coded. So I sent them a quick message, a photo of my receipt, a photo of the item, and said, hey guys, like this is the right thing. And then I sent it yesterday around 4 o'clock. And then today around 7 o'clock in the morning, one of their reps just put 500 points, which is $2 in my account. So that worked out for me. And over on IBOTTA, they also had another rebate for the same toothpaste. And talk about the toothpaste of doom, because I had more issues with this one tube of parodontax. I've never had so many problems with one item, but I did. And IBOTTA had this rebate. So when I was shuffling around the store, scanning all my barcodes, and I think a lot of you have seen this in IBOTTA, this specific rebate. And they removed it when I went to the till and paid for it. So I sent them a message and said, hey, guess what? And they credited me the $1. And I think it's just a mouthwash now by Parodontax. But that was very sneaky. I had my screenshot ready to rock and roll. But yeah, you just have to really keep an eye out for that, especially if you find something on clearance that you really like. You're trying to do one of those, midweek bonuses or a weekend warrior, and you're like, I'll grab that toothpaste again, even if it'll cost me a couple of bucks. But just to keep really good notes and be super kind in your language to these customer service reps. The nicer you are, it seems the quicker they credit you whatever was missing, or they try to meet you halfway. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.